Hey guys, how's it going today? I picked this up a few weeks ago back. Let me get out of the sunlight. Picked this up a few weeks ago back here. I've been, using my car to pull my trailers. My two right there. My my blue one, and then my red one right there. Well, my car, was taking the point to I needed to finally break down and start looking for a truck. And because I didn't want to put the strain on my car because my car is not meant to be pulling trailers. It could probably pull that small red one I got. That's not the blue one. So finally broke down, and I bought me a truck. So it's here. So I'll show you right now. Picked up. This is a '94 Dodge Dakota Club Cab. It's got the 3.9 V6 engine. I only paid $700 for this truck. The guy I bought it from, it needed U-joints, which I replaced. It needed it mainly on the front by the transmission, but I just went ahead and did the whole shebang and did all of it there. So as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see very well, but I'll try to show the best I can. It's got all new U-joints on the drive shaft now. Since it's a big club cab, it's got an extender drive shaft. And like I said, all this I cleaned out because the guy never cleaned it out, and had a whole bunch of junk in there. Cleaned that out at my girlfriend's house there. What I really like about it is I already got it licensed and stuff in my name. It's got the tow package, it's got the hitch, and it's got the wiring harness so I can put it on my trailer. I had one of these stupid locks on there. I broke it off with a breaker bar pipe I had because I couldn't get this if I wanted to take that off, so the hitch off, so I broke that off, and I had a hitch pin I was going to put on my car at the time. It wouldn't fit. I kept it, and it fits on this, but I bought me a different setup so I can switch it from 1/8 ball to 2. There. What else? Oh, the taillights, excuse me. Taillights were Dunsky trash, so I ordered new ones off of eBay and replaced those. So it's got a dent right here, which I'm not worried about, but it's got a dent right here. I guess it was in a beat up or something, so the lights don't fully sit like they should on here, but they work. What else? It didn't have no center caps. I found some at Pull Apart. They would fit the 6 lug nut thing just to cover up that middle part there. It don't fit on the front though because of the bearing right there, so I gotta find the actual cover for that one. As you can see, it's got it on the back there with the ram on there. I like the chrome on here. That's what it's supposed to have on the front, and if I find some, then I'll maybe switch it back out, but I kind of like that setup better. Wish I could have it on that one, but oh well. The only other issue I have is the Dakota emblem. The rubber's broke on it. I'll probably have to adhesive it or glue it, or maybe put a screw in there to hold that in there. I got a Dakota emblem I can put on there. It's bigger than what's supposed to be on there, but I can put it on there to make it fit. I'll show you guys the inside real quick. This is the inside of it here. Got enough room in here. It's got the seat in the back. That's the double hitch thing I got on there to switch the on there. Like I said, not bad. Got the back window in there. I had to glue that piece right there because it fell off. I found that. It's got 186,000 miles on it. There, not bad shape. In here, they put a radio in here, but it's not the right radio for it, so this all bows out. I don't like it, but it works. The radio works and all on there. I'm not going to turn it on, but like I said, it works. Just take my word for it. I just don't like this because it pushes this stuff out. The only other issue I don't like is the glove compartment. It looks like it's big, but you open it up, it's not big. You got to cram everything in there. Of course, you got your cup holder. I like that, but you know, being on the driver's side here, you gotta go reach over here if you want your drink. So I'll probably just put something in the bottom there. I'm digging the mossy oak floor mats. They were in here. I cleaned after getting those cleaned up. They look better in here now and stuff. So right there. Let's see what else. I gotta get a new wiper here because this wiper that was on this one, I found one at the junkyard, but the teeth, I stripped the teeth out of it on the wiper arm, so it won't stay on there. So when I turned the wiper on, it broke the wiper off of there that I bought to replace it. Let's see what else. Oh, when the guy I bought it from, he told me the headlights didn't work. He had to take the switch and put paper in there to hold it on for the brights. While looking on YouTube, come to find out, if you look through on the switch right here, sometimes the plastic melts. I guess because it gets too hot, and it caught onto it'll catch onto the terminals and not let it work. Well, I took this apart, and of course the plastic was melted on there. I broke some of the plastic off, and now the headlights work again here. So I'll show you guys the power plant underneath here. Of course the hood sticks. So give me a second here. There we go. There it is, the 3.9 V6 engine. Got an Everstart battery on there. It's got a decent battery in there. 810 cold cranking amps. Of course, there's the wire setup for the trailer. The guy said it needed a tune-up, which I did. I put 6 new spark plugs in there, new air filter, oil change there, so that works. I'm probably gonna do a service on the transmission fluid because it looked like it's overfilled, and I had it running, and every now and then the belt squeals when you're going up to high speed, so I'm more likely gonna have to. The belt looks like it's tight, but I think it's the tensioner right here, or it's that idler pulley right there. It's either this tensioner or this idle pulley that's bad. So other than that, no. Let me start it up for you guys real quick here and let you guys listen to it. That's the heat shield rattling. It's gonna tap like this. I probably won't tap. Sounds good, doesn't it? Sounds good, doesn't it? Not bad for a 3.9, huh? AC clutch kicks in, but the blower motor's not working on it at the moment. There's a heat shield on here that's rattling. I gotta sort out. Like I said, not bad. And like I said, no No engine lights, no warning lights. Sorry for the dust. No engine lights, no. Battery works, temperature works, oil works, and gas gauge works. Miles work on it, and then of course the tachometer works. Like I said, radio lights up. All that is just not the right one, as you can tell. It don't line up there, so it's not bad. Not a bad little truck for what I'm gonna use it for, because I'm gonna use it to haul my lawnmowers in and all that. So you guys just let me know what you guys think about this purchase, because I'm digging it. I only paid $700 for this truck. Just let me know what you guys think on it. Oh, there's one other issue. I gotta get some bracket to try to hold this down, because that's broke. This is, of course, broke, and then that's broke. That one's still good, so I'll probably just put a kind of bracket to hold that part in there. And of course, the tail light or headlight, it's leaking water in there, but they're all faded out. This is cracked, so I just gotta get some new lights for it. There. I was gonna try to clean it up, but I don't know. I'll probably end up getting some new headlights for it, like I did with my car. But I'm digging the chrome on it. I like the chrome. It's nice. But the U-joint I replaced on it here. I put some Loctite on there. Finished it up yesterday, and I'm waiting for the Loctite dick here, which will be in another hour and stuff. So I'm gonna take it out for a drive, and hopefully enough I got the drive shaft lined up where it needs to be. So that's the only thing I'm worried about. But other than that, I think I did good on this. It just needed a little TLC from me. So you guys let me know what you think of this purchase here, and tell me what you think. I think I did good, because I wanted the truck. I was going to wait till next year. And this one came up on Facebook Marketplace, because the guy who was getting rid of it, he owned a truck already, and this was like a spare truck, this sitting there, so it never got used much. So, that's okay. Oh, I'm also digging that. I like that light, especially if at night if you gotta fix something. So, other than that, I think that's about it. So, you guys let me know what you think about this, and tell me you think it was a good purchase or not. I think it was, but I'm curious to hear you guys' opinions. So, just drop a comment below, and just let me know what you think. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.